brewers, and welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the intro. It took my fancy, gave me a tickle. So anyway, a few days ago we started the process of making elderflower champagne using wild yeast and no brewing equipment. So I haven't stirred it daily, I have left it alone, I haven't opened it, I don't know what's in here. So we're going to find out at the same time. So since I haven't seen inside the bucket, there could be mold that is forming. There shouldn't be. I did check with pH paper just to make sure I had my maths in the right area. The pH of 3.5 using the extra lemons and no vinegar should inhibit the growth of mold. So I've got my cheeky camera, as you can see. And yeah, I'm gonna switch over to this one. Boom! And let's get into this. Let's see what we've got. So open it up. Yeah. Looks pretty good actually. So we didn't produce any mold so far. It is wild, so it's a little bit out of control. It's not controlled, funny enough, so it could still go horribly wrong. So I didn't stir it for a few days because, well, every time you open the bucket, you kind of increase the chance of there getting an infection, so I didn't. It's an easy way how to not do it. But now it's time to put it into our fermenter, strain off the elderflowers because they will turn brown and can colour and affect the flavour. And also aerate it to give the wild yeast, hopefully, a chance to do its thing. So what I've got in front of me is a jug, because pouring this directly into here, it just goes everywhere. Got myself a sterilised sieve and also a cheeky funnel. Now I've sterilised it using boiling water, bleach and washing up liquid, and then I rinse them out until it doesn't smell of bleach anymore. Unscented bleach, just in case anyone was wondering. So let us begin. Like it was meant to be. But it smells really good. So sideways so you can see, hopefully. It smells good. Right, and the rest goes. Like it was meant to be. Who would have guessed? So, if all goes well, this is what you should have, unless it's grown fuzz, in which case it's a bad batch. But this is what it should look like currently if you followed the recipe. It has a yellowy tinge to it. It's got a little bit of the homemade yeast nutrient, which makes it slightly cloudy, but it will turn cloudy. So in theory, in the next 2 days, if this works, the yeast should pick up and it will start fermenting away, and it should take about 2 weeks to do its thing. It may take a bit longer. It is wild yeast, it takes its sweet time. But because we're culturing wild yeast inside the demijohn, we need to store this somewhere dark. That will stop anything else that really wants to grow in here, so we only really have to worry about mold. But keep it somewhere dark, and that at least lessens the chances. Don't normally say that, but this is wild yeast. So I'll come back once this is done, then we get to bottle it and we get to make it fizzy, make it champagne. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to check out some of the other ones, and of course, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.